Hello everyone, this is Howard from Diego Remodeling. A customer hired us to remodel their existing kitchen. You can see where the cabinets originally were. Over here we have the exhaust fan. Here's the sink, and here's the dishwasher. We're putting in all new cabinets, all new countertop. We're taking out the sheet vinyl flooring and installing tile floor. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your kitchen remodeling at your home or your office. Have a great day and watch our next video as we install the new cabinets. Have a great day and bye for now.